Hi everyone. Now let's discuss about how to create list data structure format from user values. It's very important topic here that we are converting into list whatever we are passing values from the user itself. Now let's see. I'm just taking input string whatever that we are going to give here. So now input of enter enter the list enter the list elements enter the list elements separated by separated by space or tab space, you can say. So this is the string that I'm passing here. Now I'm trying to do here print off, then you can say that will be slash n, that is the next line character that we can see. Now what I'm trying to do, user underscore list equal to, then what I'm trying to do, whatever the input string that I'm passing, input string dot, then using split method, using split, then in that bracket I'm not using anything. So if you are not using anything in the bracket, that means that is the tab space. So if you are something we can see, but if we are keeping empty, then that means here it is a tab space default. Okay, now let's see here print off, then what I am trying to take here, user list is, so after passing that, then what will be the list values, so you can take it this user list. Now I am trying to execute here, so you can take any values. Okay, like you can say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, then what are the values? So I am just mentioning the values by using tab space here. So enter the list elements separated by tab space or space. Now it is splitting, it is split function will do based on from where it is giving tab space. So that's why now we execute. Now when I execute, what will happen, now it will give list of values in the list structure format. Okay, so now it is running and it will take time to give. So when star here represents, that is executing inside. Okay, so now let's see, let's wait here, an input string is splitting into different types of format. Okay, so now let's see, and this is also, this symbol is, it's working, so that is showing, maybe it's taking time to understand execution. Let's see, so it is taking time, and I'm just taking kernel and then restart. Okay, then restart the output, then you can able to run multiple, the kernel will be connected. Kernel means it directly connected to the hardware. Okay, once you kernel and restart, if it is taking, then you can restart it, that's it. So now try to execute again, so you will get values like, so now let's see here, execute. So when it is taking lot of time, do kernel and then second option restart, that's it. So if it is taking a lot of time, then it will disconnect the hardware connection into this executing value, and it reconnect the kernel again, so that it is easy to trace it. Now understand the output. Enter the list element separated by space. I have done, and it is converted into a list format. So that how we can able to convert. Now take one more example here, and enter the list element separated by, you can say, value, that is at the rate. Okay, at the rate symbol. Now after that, what will happen? So now let's see, 1 2, then 3, then at the rate 4, at the rate, and then 5. So I'm just splitting the values based on at the rate option, at the rate symbol here. Okay, then so now let's see 8 and then 9 here. So now what will happen when I execute? Now let's see. Okay, so now we need to, now it is directly we are getting value and we are getting here. Now we miss something, so I will keep statement like this, and you need to pass split option. That split you need to pass here, that at the rate. Okay, then only it will work. Now let's see, 1, then 2, then here 3, then 4, then 5, and then these are the values that we have. So now let's see, now execute. Now even I'm just separating with at the rate symbol, now it is making list here. So separating with the symbol at the rate. Now even you take here different types of symbols. Okay, even you try by star here. Okay, so sometime they will give flat files and we need to separate like this. So now what we need to do, when I execute 1, then